thought I'd do a number with my favorite painting over my shoulder. This is called Whiskers and a Gun. This painting, and it's the best painting of the human face that I've ever seen. It's just incredible. Anyway, so I'm trying to get a song together. I'll call it Kissing in the Rain. Kissing in the rain can be good for the pain. Get a sore shoulder is the price that you pay. You can't get away. If we go to church, will we be coming back? Take a good look in my eyes, 'cause you know the shade of lust is hard to find, so hard to hide, so hard to hide, so hard to hide, so hard to hide. Really fine. When this is over, please say you will. Say you will. Kissing in the rain can be good for the pain. Check that shoulder, that won't go away. Can you feel the rain on your head and in your eyes, and dripping down your cheek? Oh, it's hard to describe when you're in love. What were you thinking of? I wasn't thinking really. Just the way she looked at me, the way she touched me. It's really hard to say, but that was the day. Kissing in the rain can be good for the pain. So what you say? Little metamorphosis there. I hope we can do something better with that.